Hello everybody. Well, just figured I'd make a little video. We got a damaged grinder cord. It's a very simple fix. Looks like someone taped this already. I don't know what kind of hack repair they did here. We're gonna get rid of this. I'll just snip that off right now. There you go. Don't worry about that. So you'll need some connectors. Phillips, I believe number 2. Might be Torx heads. Your grinder will be different, so you know, don't yell at me if it's a different head screw. These are split, like I said. You can get fully soldered. Those are good. See the split there. And then some shrink tube. Yeah, see, this is a butt connector, but as you can see, it's fully soldered joint. You won't see a seam. And if you got a connector with some sort of jacket like that, just it's garbage. And you can cut that jacket off and it'll still be the same core. But those are garbage. You never get a proper crimp. And split the casing apart. There we go. Two more screws for the wire tie down here. And every grinder is going to be different, but majority are going to be the same for the trigger assemblies. I'm not going to worry about taking those off. Just going to take those 2 off right there. Remember which side is which. These do not have a marking on them. Wow. Well, that's interesting. These don't even have a connector on there. It's a brass sleeve. Did someone mod this? This can't be factory. I think someone already fixed this and they didn't have the right connect. Well, no, it's a round port. Yeah, that's what you get with cheap ass tools. Well, I guess I'll solder the ends then. Or should I crimp an end? Fit it in there, just crimp it down. Maybe we'll do that, just cut the end off. You're gonna want to inspect this cord. We got a break here, but that should be perfect length. So we'll cut this off. Try not to cut the insulation on the inner wires. Usually if you just do a score, you're not fully cutting through. can usually give her a tear like that. There we go. You're gonna look at the distance you got. This tie down needs to be on the casing. So we're just gonna do a rough measurement here, and we're gonna snip it off. Make this the same. Waste Got the second one on there. Crimp that one down. And we will slice the ends off. Form it so they fit into these holes. Make sure you're not crimping these down on the casing. Careful, you will get copper in your fingers if you're not someone that has inches of calluses. Maybe you're just beginning and you only got a little bit. It's cutting fiberglass at work. It was delicious. Get all your wires back in their appropriate spots. And tighten those down nice and good. Right there, that's what prevents you when you're swinging this around. It doesn't pull on the connector. That's why if you don't put it on the wires, it's not really holding nothing down. And there you go. Put these last screws in. Torque them down to 6,666 foot-pounds. Very critical of torque on these ones. That's a joke. If you didn't get that, well, maybe you should watch my torque wrench video. Link in somewhere. I don't know. What do? They point somewhere and then a link shows up? I don't know. I swear to God, the guys at work want to kill me. They gave me 2 discs that were just, they were abrasives, and they just had cracks in them. Good thing I inspect everything I use, and this is just bent to shit. I did not tell them to take the guard off. I told them. Don't tell them. I mean, I told them. They know. All right, let's see what happens. Or if you can see that wobble. That's not too bad. Sounds like this has some serious, sounds like the gears in here are right fucked up. There's definitely some, oh yeah. Definitely some play in those gears. Could probably grease it, but there you go. There you have it. A nice, beautiful, well, that's nice of them, eh? They put a weird flex joint in there. It's a ball for flex. Yeah, okay, whatever. There you go. Hope you enjoyed. It was, I don't know if I'll show you my struggles. Maybe I'll edit it out and make it look like I did it first try. Sometimes it's funny to laugh, right? Like and subscribe. Pretty simple video. This is something everyone's gonna end up doing at some point. It's always good to check your cords, especially if you're working in sewer and water where you're wet. It's not nice getting electrocuted. Anyways, love you all. Have a good one.